Hans laser plates to D series laser tube cutting machine. Equipped with semi-automatic feeding as standard, with fully automatic feeding available as an option. Loading length can be adapted according to requirements. Available in optional 6 meters, 9 meters, and 12 meters. Tube length measurement can complete during the loading process. Automatic and precise tool setting is completed during loading, eliminating traditional material alignment procedures. Get it done in one step with speed and precision. The floating support for loading is controlled by a servo motor, floating in real time with the tube to enhance processing accuracy. The unloading section adopts a telescopic floating design, combined with a shuttle-type material receiving mechanism, ensuring smooth and safe workpiece transfer. Hans laser plates to D series laser tube cutting machine empowers efficient tube manufacturing through intelligence and reliability.